Prayer, sacrifice, and penance. Prayer and work are important, but also prayer and reading is important too. I am very surprised at myself for sticking to it for almost half a year of reading the Bible in a year. I plan on going over it again next year, and I also am proud that I just started the Catechism in a year. And so on the next Feast of Our Lady of Fatima, if I do it every day, I will be finished reading the Catechism on the Feast of Our Lady of Fatima in 2025. I'm also reading a book club book called Jesus, the Way, the Truth, and the Life. It comes along with a workbook, and then every other week we meet and we watch a video on the workbook and book, and we discuss it and have pastries and coffee and all sorts of nice stuff that they do in the South. So basically, I'm also listening. Those three books I'm reading, I'm actually having it in my hand, listening to it on audiobook, and then reading along with it at the same time. And doing that promotes my reading comprehension, and I'm able to remember what I just listened to. So with that in mind, those three books I sit down and read, and I schedule out my time to do so, and I do it prayerfully. But there are two other books that I'll listen to while driving to and from the city and all around and to church and all that. Those books are The Fourth Cup by Scott Hahn, and that book was read by my book club while I was not going, and I just want to have something Catholic to listen to. And then a little variation is the high school book that I read called Strange Highways, that is a bunch of short stories. Read and pray.